Hey everyone, Couch Investor back to another video for you today. So let's talk about Coinbase. They recently reported great earnings. The stock obviously popped. So let's talk about the earnings report because a lot of you have been asking me to share my thoughts on that, because if you've been following me for a while, you know that at the start when Coinbase, well, even before they became public, I was a bit skeptical about the whole business, what would happen in a bear market, etc. Since then, I've obviously become a more bullish person. I own Coinbase, so disclaimer on that. I've been owning Coinbase since $220 or so. So I'm pretty happy with what's been happening with the company. So in this earnings report, they've beat earnings per share. They've beat on revenue. It's been pretty good earnings report. They've formed partnerships with Elon Musk, Tesla, SpaceX, WisdomTree Investments. They've acquired 2 key licenses, one in Japan and one in Germany. The numbers look incredible, so we're going to have a look at that in a bit. But before I do so, I just want to thank today's sponsor, The Motley Fool. And again, these are my views and my views only. The Motley Fool is a company that provides investing insight and stock recommendations for investors of all skill sets and risk levels. You guys know I love finding new investing tools and resources to help me find the latest growth stock and innovative company. And right now I have a discount for one of my favorite services, the Fool offers. Through the Motley Fool's stock advisor service, you get access to a ton of expert stock picks. Every month you'll get 2 picks that are aimed at growing your wealth and to help you realize your financial goals. Stock advisors' average stock picks have returned over 500%. If growing your money is something you'd like to do more this year, you can visit www.fool.com/couchinvestor or click on the link below for access to my special offer and decide if Stock Advisor is right for you. Now let's dive into this. Alright, let's jump into the report. By the way, if you've missed one of the big companies' earnings, all of them will be in my Substack. It's free for everyone. Link will be down in the description and in the pinned comment. If you subscribe, you will get an email each and every Saturday during earnings report with a summary and the links to their earnings report if you want to check it out in full. Now let's jump into these earnings. So first, couple of highlighted points. You can see here monthly transacting users are close to 9 million. That's an increase of 41% quarter over quarter, not year over year, quarter over quarter. Trading volumes are up as well, over $100 billion. Assets on platform also in billions of dollars have been going down as well because of the prices that have been going down overall. So we have a net revenue of $2.03 billion, net income of $1.6 billion, and adjusted EBITDA of $1.15 billion. Obviously, year over year, those look incredible, but obviously don't expect the same thing in 2022, another 10x from here. I would love to see that, but let's stay realistic. All right, key points. Number 2. Again, this is also why I became a bull. And that's because of the institutional participation in that industry. It has been increasing each and every quarter. That's great to see. $317 billion in trading volume from the institutional side, 145 from the retail side. Now look at this. For the first time, Ethereum trading volumes have surpassed that of Bitcoin. That's for the first time. Other crypto assets is on the rise as well. Again, like I said in my last video, why is that? Well, because Coinbase has been adding lots and lots of new assets. They're not just adding lots and lots of new assets, they're also adding lots of new pairs. Let's say you're in the UK. Before that, you couldn't really, I think, sell your crypto for British pounds. Now there are way more pairs that do that, which is great. So Ethereum surpassing Bitcoin doesn't really surprise me with the rise of NFTs and everything that's going on in decentralized finance, etc. But do let me know down in the comments why you think Ethereum is here on the rise. Now regarding the assets on platform, you can obviously see again the same trend. Institutional has been on the rise each and every quarter, meaning they are participating in that industry more and more. Now assets on the platform, a percentage of the total, obviously Bitcoin is still the biggest one out there. Ethereum, you can see here a big rise in that percentage. And then fiat has been increasing this quarter as well because, well, prices are going down. So maybe more and more people are converting to fiat, or maybe more people are just putting fiat into their account on Coinbase. Now, if you watch my last couple of videos about Coinbase, you know what my big negative point is on Coinbase. It's that when there is a bear market, maybe there is no volatility, so not a lot of people are buying or selling crypto or staking or using the custodial side of Coinbase or other subscription services that they offer. And that's when obviously the business goes down. Now, let's have a look at what's been happening for this quarter actually. So obviously the transactional side of the business is the biggest one here, yeah, at $1.9 billion. And even though the price of Bitcoin and Ethereum and all the others have gone down significantly, thanks to volatility, they have actually increased revenue quarter over quarter. Now, regarding the other segments, subscription and services, we can see here that everything is going as planned. The custodial side has been growing each and every quarter tremendously, and that's a very, very important side for Coinbase as they grow their institutional partnerships out there. Because one of Coinbase's biggest moat out there is that it has never been hacked. That's the best line that you can have as a company that has cryptocurrency on it. We'd have never been hacked. Come to us, leave Binance, leave those other platforms out there. Obviously, Binance has not been seeing sunny days. Coinbase has been seeing a lot of those. Right now, for the outlook for Q3 and for the full year, they have here actually a couple of scenarios, the high, the mid, and the low. For Q3, they actually believe that the monthly transacting users will be a bit lower than this quarter, as well as the trading volume, because, well, they are maybe being a bit conservative, but they're especially looking at the price action of the whole crypto market right now. It's been going down. Summer months, maybe less people are trading, more people are going out on vacation, so aren't really paying attention to the cryptocurrency market. And as for the full year, it's basically a bear case, a base case, and a bull case. Alright, to conclude, I'm still very bullish on Coinbase, but there's always this negative side that you always have to keep in mind when investing in a company like Coinbase, because if cryptocurrency just goes away, does not become what everybody thinks it will become, Coinbase is not going to work as an investment. Coinbase, the company, won't grow anymore. That's the major negative side, let's say. On the positive side, for me, it's the best, it's the biggest one, it's the one that has been growing the fastest, the more secure, the one that is actually being regulated very, very well compared to the other exchanges out there, like Binance, for example. I don't have anything on Binance. I used to have some crypto assets on there. Everything is now on Coinbase. Now, I would like to know what your thoughts are on Coinbase. Do you hold this stock? Do you hold your crypto on Coinbase? Have you been using the services? Leave it down in the comments below. Now, before I end this video, almost forgot. Yes, I know that Coinbase is more expensive than other exchanges out there. But again, when you're the biggest, you're the one that's growing the fastest, innovating the fastest, the safest, you can ask for those fees. And then later on, they might reduce that. And it doesn't really matter, it won't affect their business that much. And that will be it for this video. If you liked it, consider leaving a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, maybe hit that subscribe button. And as always guys, take care, stay safe, and see you all in the next video. Bye bye.